Welcome to this Connecting to Data video on editing data connections and data sources. You can download the exercise workbook to follow along in your own copy of Tableau. To easily get back to the data connection window, simply click on the Data Source tab. Alternatively, if at any time we realize we need to modify the data connection, simply right-click on the data source to pull up a menu. This menu lets us control many aspects of the data connection, such as renaming the connection, turning extracts on or off, refreshing an extract, creating or editing data source filters, saving a data source, or publishing data sources. For more information on publishing data sources, check out the Data Server video. Remember, right-click to access this menu. An important feature is the ability to replace a data source. This process is great to know if, for example, you're using a flat file to build up a proof of concept before switching to a live production environment. We can replace the data source by creating a new connection to the new source, then telling Tableau which one to use. First, we'll connect to a new file. Click on the Connect to Data icon in the toolbar. We'll select Excel, open our new file, bring out the Orders table, and go back to the worksheet. Now we have two data connections. The blue check means that this is the primary connection currently being used in the viz. To swap these out, we'll right-click on Superstore and select Replace Data Source. We can easily see how the replacement will happen, so we'll click OK. Since we don't need the original data connection, we can close it by right-clicking and selecting Close. Notice there's a red pill outlining our sum of sales in the view and a red exclamation point next to our sales field. Looking below, we see there's another field called SLS. This is the same data as sales. It was just named something different in the second data file. If we right-click on our original sales field and select Replace References, we can tell Tableau that that sales field should actually be SLS. Now everything looks right. There's a lot more Tableau can do with data connections. For more information, check out the other videos in the Connecting to Data series.